Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you phonics. Please take out your book. That should be level 2 book 4. Alright, level 2 book 4 please. Thank you very much. Okay, so before we start the lesson, let's do some revision of the sounds that we have learned. Alright, how many Robber Brothers Red Robot has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5 Robber Brother. And the apple stealer is called Arthur R. Arthur R says R. And who is this? The orange stealer. The orange stealer is called Orville Orr. Orville Orr says or. He steals oranges, right? And he shouts or. Very good. Or. Let's look at this. The elephant stealer is called Ernest Yes, Ernest Ernest says And this is the umbrella stealer. The umbrella stealer is called Urgent right? Urgent What does Urgent say? Urgent says Okay. This is the ink stealer. The ink stealer is called Irving Irving says again Okay, very good. Let's look at the next one. Okay, Vowels go out walking. So here is Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man. When Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man go out walking, Mr. A does the talking, right? He says his name A. But will you hear Yellow Yo-Yo Man talking? No, right? You won't hear him talking because he's too busy looking out for robots. So you will just hear Mr. A sing his name A. So the sound is pronounces A. How about this one? Same goes for here. A. Good job. A. How about Mr. E and his brother? What sound do they make when you see both of them together? E, right? E. And when you see Mr. E and Mr. A goes out walking again, Mr. E does the talking. Mr. A won't do the same because Mr. A is too busy looking out for robots. So all you hear is E. E. Very good. Same goes for here. When you see Mr. I and Mr. E go out walking, Mr. I does the talking. He'll say his name I. Goes for here. Same goes for here. Oh, same goes for here. You. Good job. Okay. The sound here is A, E, and then E, and then I, and then O, and then U. Very good. Moving on to the next one. Okay. Over here. So this is the boot twin, right? He'll say, ooh, I have your boot. He steals the foot twin's boot, right? And he'll say, ooh. Again, ooh. The long ooh sound, okay? Ooh. Alright, let's go for here. And the foot twin, what does foot twin say when the boot twin steals his boot? He'll say, oh, just look at my foot, right? So the sound the foot twin makes is oh, oh, oh. How about for here? Ooh. This goes for ooh. Very good. When you see Roy and Mr. I together, they say oi, oi, oi. All right, the next one. When you see Roy and Yellow Yo-Yo Man together, they say oi, oi, oi. Good job. Oh, when you see Silent Magic E showers magic on Mr. O, you'll see Mr. O sing his name. Oh, right? The sound is oh. Same goes for here. The sound they make is you. But will you hear Silent Magic E sing anything? No, it will stay silent. Okay, it stays silent. And wow. And when you see this magic, Sparks showers magic on Clever Cat and turns it to Sammy Snake, they'll say all right. How about for here? The same. Yellow Yo Man showers magic on Clever Cat's letter, so they both can enjoy, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat can both enjoy. So they'll say same goes for here. Alright, Gentle Ginger. When you see Magic Sparks it showers on Gentle Ginger will say J, right? J, J. Again. G, G, G. That is called. How about for this one? Again, J, J, J. All right. Ooh, when you see Annie Apple and Walter Walrus together, they'll say, oh, oh, oh. When you see Annie Apple and Walter Walrus jumps into Uppy Umbrella's letter, they'll say, oh, oh, oh. So there are two sounds for this sound, right? When you see Eddie Elephant and Walter Wallace together, they say, ooh, you. Again, two sounds, right? Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Two sounds, okay? One is ooh, one is you. Okay? Ooh, you. When you see Magic Spark showers on Mr. A, they say A. When you see Magic Sparks, when you see Silent Magic East Magic Sparks showers on Mr. I, they say I. Okay, remember Silent Magic East stays silent. Same goes for here. E. Great job. Okay. This one. Alright, when you see Oscar Orange and remember who's this? Walter Wallace Mummy, right? The Water Witch or Walter Walrus jumps into Uppy Umbrella's letter, and if they bump their chin, they'll say ow. Remember? Ow. Ow. Okay. Same goes for here. If you see the Water Witch or Walter Walrus bumps his or her chin next to Oscar Orange, they'll say ow, ow, ow. And when the Water Witch or Walter Walrus sees Mr. O is gonna help Oscar Orange, they'll say oh. Okay? Oh. Oh. When you see Sammy Snake, Clever Cat, and Red Robot together, they say skr, skr, skr. When you see Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Lucy Lamplight together, they say spool, spool, spool. Alright. When you see Mr. A and Mr. I are caught by a robber brother, the robber brother will say, I have caught a heavy pair. I need air. He will pass up some air because they are too heavy, right? And he'll say, air, air. Okay. Here, when one of the robber brother, the bad robot, steals Mr. E and Mr. A and put them in his bag, he will point to his ears and say, I can't hear, right? Ear, ear, ear. But right after sometimes, when the robber thinks they are too heavy, he will puff out some air and says, air, air, air. Okay? When you see Talking Test, Harry Hatman, and Red Robot together, they say thur, thur, thur. When you see Sammy Snake, Harry Hatman, Red Robot together, they say sure, sure, sure. When you see Sammy Snake, Quarrelsome Queen, and Uppy Umbrella together, they say squaw, squaw, squaw. Again, squaw. Okay, we are done with the revision. Now we will be doing some blending. Okay, everyone, let's do some blending before we start. So let's start with this. 1, 2, 3. Sure, ed, sure, ed, shred. Make them friends, okay? Let's go with this. Sure, ink, sure, ink, shrink. Okay, number 3. Sure, ank, sure, ank. Make them friends. Shrank. This one. Sure, Ike, sure, Ike, shrike. Okay, this one. Sure, imp, sure, imp, shrimp. Okay, the second line. Thur, e, thur, e, three. Okay, this one. Let me tell you, this is a vowel man, right? This is a vowel man, sorry. Okay, the vowel man. Thur, o, thur, o, thorough. Okay, this is silent magic E, okay? Silent magic E. And this is noisy Nick in the middle. Okay? Let's go. Thur, own, thur, own, throne. Okay, this one. Thur, eat, thur, eat, threat. This one. Thur, you, thur, you, threw. Okay, this one. Again, silent magic E. Squa, air, squa, air, square. Squa, ish, squa, ish, squish. Number 3. Squa, eek, squa, eek, squeak. This one. Squa, ash, squa, ash, squash, squ, ease, squ, ease, squeeze. Alright, we are done with blending. Now let's move on to the part we haven't done last time. Please turn to your book, page number 28. Okay? I remember that we have done till dwarf, right? We have done till dwarf. We haven't done from this to this, okay? The last 3 lines. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have done the first 3 lines. The last 3 lines we haven't done, okay? So again, here we have to choose the sound at the bottom and then write them on the line, okay? Miss Sophie will say the sound, okay? You write, then we will check the answers together. So let's go with the one we left last time, okay? So here is scarf, scarf, scarf. Take out your pencil, okay, and write scarf. Which one starts with scarf? Just write it, okay? Scarf, scarf. Okay, number 2. Snake, 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 snake. All right. Number 3. Drum, drum, drum. Okay, the next one. Slide, 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 slide. Okay, now this one, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, now this one is 3, tree, tree. Okay, tree. Next one is slug, slug, slug. Okay, slug. The next one is swan, 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 swan. Okay, the next one is grapes, 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 grapes. Okay, the next one, fly, 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 fly. Okay, this one is smoke, 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 smoke. Okay, this one is 3, 3. Remember, 3 letters. 3, 3. You can choose 3. Okay, done. Let's check the answers. So number 1, as I said, was scarf, right? Scarf. So sk is over here. So the correct answer should be this. Scarf, scarf. Okay, the next one is snake, snake, snake. It's somewhere here, right? Snake, snake, snake. The next one is drum, drum, drum. That should be drum. Okay? Drum. Check your answers. The next one is slide. 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 Okay? Next one. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. Okay, the next one. Tree. 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 Okay, next one is a slug. 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 All right, next one is a swan. 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 Okay, swan. Swan here. Swan. Okay, the next one are grapes. 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 Have you got it correct? The next one is fly. 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 Okay, fly. The next one, smoke. 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 All right. The next one is three. 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 Okay, check your answers, please. Done? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we will be we are gonna straight to our today's topic. So please turn to your book, page number 29. Turn to your book, page number 29. Your book, page 29 and 30, okay? 29 and 30, okay? It means the next page. So you are done with this, right? So just turn over. That's it, okay? So everybody, eyes on the TV. Okay, so this is, oh, sorry. Alright, so everyone, who do you see here? You see Sammy Snake, Talking Test, and Red Robot, right? Red Robot. So, the story is, one day, Sammy Snake and Talking Test went to the street at night because they want to watch shining stars at night. But that day something very bad happened. They left out to struggle at night because this bad red robot has stolen Talking Test's telephone. That's why they all struggle. Sammy Snake and Talking Test followed red robot on the street, which made a struggle for them. All the Letterlanders were watching them. The Letterlanders has a trick. Do you know what a trick is? They made a new trick. They put up a string on Red Robot, Talking Tess, and Sammy Snake. This stretchable string. So they stay together. So they can get what they want from him. So at the end, Talking Tess finally got her telephone back. They all were stuck in a string, right? The Letterlander put out Sammy Snake and Talking Tess from the string, but they left Red Robot, so he doesn't steal anything. So Sammy Snake says S, and Talking Tess says T, and Red Robot says Together they'll say stir, 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 stir. Okay? Stir for street, struggle, and what do we call this? That is a string. Stretchable. Stretch. We can stretch like this, right? Stretch, and this is called a string. Okay? String. String. Alright, so this is their story. The next one is, okay, the next one we have is Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot. One day, on a spring day, the weather was very, very good. Peter Puppy told Sammy Snake, let's go to the sea on this spring. But Sammy Snake said, oh, Peter, I do not know how to go to the sea. That time, Red Robot spree. He spree like this and said, follow me. So, they went on a spree on a spring. After that, they reached the sea and they sprawl because the weather was very, very good. And they said, spur, spur, spur. What a spree in a spring. Spur, spur, spur. Alright? So when you see Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot together, they say spur, spur, spur. Same goes for here. When you see Sammy Snake and Talking Tess with Red Robot together, they'll say stir, stir, stir. Alright? Thank you. Now we will be listening to the song. I would like you to sing the song at page 29 and 30. Alright? Page 29 and 30. So I'll play the song.
Look, Sammy and Tess and the robot are struggling out in the street. Someone has strung them together. They can't stand straight on their feet. How will they get free? Tied together at the knee. That string is a very strong string. The Letterland folk all know it's a joke. The string is a stretchable string.
Let's sing again.
Look, Sammy
Alright, now we will listen to the next song for Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot.
Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot set out on a spree in the spring. Sammy and Peter want to go to the sea. Red Robot sprints ahead, saying, "Follow me." As they sprawl on the sand, they have to agree there's really no better place to be when you're out on a spree in the spring.
Alright, let's listen again.
Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot set out on a spree in the spring. Sammy and Peter want to go to the sea. Red Robot sprints ahead, saying, "Follow me." As they sprawl on the sand, they have to agree there's really no better place to be when you're out on a spree in the spring.
Alright, so can you please turn to page 31? We will be doing some exercise. Before that, can you tell me what sound Sammy Snake and Peter Puppy and Red Robot make together? That is spur, spur, spur. Alright? How about them? Sammy Snake, Talking Tess, and Red Robot. What do they say when they're together? Stir, stir, stir. Okay, again. Spur and stir. Okay. Now, moving on to the crossword. Okay. Number 1, page number 31, okay? Let's look at part 1. At spur, then read the words on the springs. Okay. Let's add spur on the line first, then we will read, okay? So you write spur, spur, and spur here first. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's read, okay? 1, 2, 3. Spring. Again. Spring. Spring. And this is, let's divide it to 2, okay? Same as this, just one more ing sound, okay? Springing. Springing. Again, springing. The next one. Spray. Spray. Again, spray. Alright, spray. Alright, we are done with part 1. We are done reading. Now number 2. Here, you have to add stir, then read the words inside the string. So you add stir for me. You write stir on each line first, inside the string, then we will read the words together. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, how do we read this word? Let's read it together. Strong. Again. Strong. Maybe we can blend, right? Let's blend. Okay. I'll put a dot so you know where to stop. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Strong, strong, strong. Make them friends. Strong. Then you can read. Okay. This one. String, string, string. Okay, this one. Stir, eat, stir, eat, street. Okay, this one. Stir, all, stir, all, straw. Okay, all, straw. Okay, done reading? Done writing? So, moving on to the next part. Here. Everyone, here you have to cross out the words that do not fit in each sentence. So, the wrong one you have to put across, okay? So, let's look at picture 1. Let's look at picture 1. He is what his strawberries? As you can see in picture 1, someone is watering the strawberries, right? Do we call this springing or sprinkling? Springing is something else. We call this sprinkling, okay? Let's read together. He is sprinkling his strawberries. Again, he is sprinkling his strawberries. So you cross out this one because this is wrong, okay? Just cross it out. Okay, is this picture straight or sprain? Do you know what's the meaning of straight? This is called straight. Straight. Okay? Sprain. Is it straight or sprain? Look at the picture and you will know. That should be. The picture is straight or it is sprain like this. That should be straight, right? Let's read together. Is this picture straight? Okay. Cross out sprain for me. Okay. So are you done with these parts? If you're done, then we can move on to page 32. Everyone, you will see a bunch of words here, right? With stir sound. I would like you to trace them. Do you know what is trace? It means write them with your pencil. Write each word. Okay, Miss Sophie will give you 2 minutes to write it. Trace each word in your book, okay? Write it with your pencil. Trace it. Okay, Miss Sophie gives you 2 minutes for that. One more minute. Alright everyone, are you done with tracing the words? Alright. So here you have traced the words, right? Now, step 2. Step 2, you have to find the small word that is underlined in the following word and then write. So for example, number 1 is they underline. So this is the word stray. They underline ray for you, right? They underline ray for you. So you write the underlined words. So for this one is, how do you write this word? Ray. Alright? Ray. And then B is they underline the word. How do we read this? Raw, right? Raw. The word underline, you write it on the line. Okay? This one, they underline. How do we read this? Ring, right? Ring. For this one again, they underline the word ripe for you, right? So you write it on the line. Write the words that are underlined. Sorry, write the letter that is underlined, okay? Let's read together. Ray, right? Ray. This one is raw, raw. Ring, ring. And this one is ripe, ripe. Okay? Now, using the words that has stir sound, and then we have to write the missing words that is given to us, okay? We have to write the missing words from here. The one you just traced, okay? The one you just wrote in your book, page 32. Let's look at number 1. Let's read, okay? We went fishing by the... Okay, we went fishing by the store, by the strong, by the street, or by the stream. Oh, do you know what a stream is? This is a picture of stream. This is a stream. Alright, this is a stream. You can go fishing by the stream. Okay, this is called stream. Stream. Okay, so you write stream on A. We went fishing by the stream. 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 Okay, stream. Right. Alright, the next word, the next sentence is, let's read. The man was very tall and Let's read. The man was very tall and straight and stray and string or and strong. Do you know what is strong? When somebody has a lot of energy, a person is very strong. Okay, a person, if he or she has lots of energy, that means he or she is strong. So here, the man was very tall and strong. Strong. Could you write strong on the line for me? Strong. Strong. Okay, the word is over here. Strong. Strong. We park the car on the, so C, let's read letter C, the sentence. We parked the car on the, which one is the place here? What do we call this? What do we call this? We call this Sammy Snake, Talking Test, and Red Robot went to the street. Okay, street. Can you see a car over here? Yes, there's only one car. So we parked the car on the street. Okay, street. So could you write street for me? Street. It should be over here. Street. 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 Okay. Letter D. I found a what cat in our garden. Again, let's read. I found a what cat in our garden. I found a, so we have used this, right? We have used this and this. I found a straw cat, straight cat, striped cat, or stray cat. Let me show you what is a stray cat. Stray cat is a cat that has no owner. They do not have any home, okay? You will find stray cats on the street. Alright? So I found a what cat in our garden. If a cat has no owner, no daddy, mommy, yeah, they will be on the street, right? That is called stray cat, okay? So could you write stray for me? Stray. 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 Let's read together. I found a stray cat in our garden. Okay? Letter E. Let's read. I like drinking with a colored. What do we use to drink? What do we use to drink? We use a, let me show you a picture of it. That is called a straw. Okay, straw. We can drink with a straw, right? So can you find the word straw for me? Straw. That should be somewhere here. Okay? Straw. That is correct. Okay. Straw. Let's read. I like drinking with a colored straw. All right. All right. I'll give you 10 seconds to have a look on your answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we are done with our classwork. Wow, today we are done with our classwork. So there's no homework. And we are going to do some blending. Okay, let's do some blending. Before that, can you tell me what song have we learned today? Let me put that here. Okay. So when you see Sammy Snake and Talking Test with Red Robot, they say stir, 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 stir. Alright, when you see Sammy Snake and Peter Puppy with Red Robot together, they say spur, spur, spur. Again, spur, spur. Okay, this one, stir, stir, stir. All right. So let's begin. Turn to your book, page 33. We will be doing some blending. Okay. Let's do together. 1, 2, 3. Stir up, stir up, stir up. Okay, this one. Stir a, stir a, stir a. All right, this one. Stir a. So everyone, you see Sammy's, you see here is, all you see here is Clever Cat and Kicking King, right? So when you see both of them together, they do not say k. That should be k, okay? One sound. K. So let's do it. Stir a, k. Stir a, k. Struck. All right, this one. Stir s, stir s, stress. All right, the next one. Stir ip, stir ip, strip. Strip, sorry. All right, the next one. Stir at, stir at, stretch, stretch. Again. Stir at, stir at, stretch. Okay, let's go with this. Spur a, spur a, spray. The next one. Spur e, spur e, spree. Let's go with this. Spur, ain, spur, ain, sprain. Alright, this one. Spur, int, spur, int, sprint. This one. Spur, magic E. Spur, ite, spur, ite, sprite. Alright, the last one. Spur, ing, spur, ing, spring. Alright, now it's your turn to blend. Okay, can you blend this for me? Your turn to blend, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Make them friends. Okay, that should be stir, s, stir, s, stress. Okay. Can you blend this for me? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that should be stir, a, stir, a, stray. Okay, can you blend? Can you blend this one for me? Again, 1, 2, 3. Magic E, remember. Okay. That should be spur, ite, spur, ite, spur, ite, sprite. Okay. One more. Could you blend this one for me? 1, 2, 3. Make them friends. Okay. Spur, e, spur, e, spree. Okay. So when you see Sammy Snake, Peter Puppy, and Red Robot together, they say spur, spur, spur. Remember that. When you see Sammy Snake, Talking Tess, and Red Robot together, they say stir, stir, stir. Alright, remember that. So, everyone, please go home and do revision on the sound you have learned, okay? And do blending on page number 33. And I'll see you again next week. Thank you for watching.